Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I tried a very easy and simple crochet method for this Xpression Jamaican locks. Today I'll be using the Xpression Jamaican locks. It comes with 2 bundles inside the pack, and total I had about 25 strands. I actually tried the method at the back to be sure that it was going to work, and I braided my hair as you would have seen my braid pattern. Very simple. I'm dividing one strand into 2. I'm making sure that they are equal, the length is equal, and then I'm just stretching it out, and I'm going to knot it at the top to create a loop so that it can be easy for me to just crochet it on my head, because this one doesn't come with a loop. So I'm using my crochet needle. I'm going to put it into the needle, close the needle, and then pull it. That's the easiest way to pull, guys. If you do not close the needle will trap some of your hair and it's very painful. So yeah, I've attached it and it's looking good. I actually want that bulky look. You know, the Jamaican locks is usually very bulky, you know, so I wanted that bulky look, and I'm in love with the color. The color I'm using today is color 27. So just watch and see, guys. So I'm knotting it. It's quite easy, so I'm just going to let you watch throughout the video to see what I'm doing. Like, the process is very easy. I also braided my hair. I made really big cornrows because I wanted, like I said, I wanted to have the bulky style. So here I'm using a different method. I'm going to feather the hair out first, and I'm not going to knot it. I'm just going to crochet it into my hair using the needle. Remember to always close your needle once you put in the extension, and then pull it out. Yeah, so then I'm going to knot it after I have already attached it to my own hair. So I will knot it, and then I'm going to put it through the hole I was able to make. Yeah, that's it. Very simple, guys. Very simple. If you do not want to do the individual crochet style, you can just do this. So yeah, that's pretty much each what am I saying? That's pretty much it. I was just using these 2 methods, and now I'm attaching my accessories. I'm using cowries because I'm African, of course. Please, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and this is the finished look. See you guys in my next one. Bye.